Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the basic of MCB and fuse through our presentation. Now we are going to look the topics that we are going to study. The first one is introduction of MCB and fuse. After that, working of MCB and fuse, applications of them, and comparison between MCB and fuse. The last one is the advantages of MCB over fuse. So let's start with the introduction of MCB. You can see the picture of MCB on the left side. MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is an electrical safety device designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by overcurrent. Its basic function is to interrupt current flow to protect equipment and to prevent the risk of fire. Now move to the fuse. In electronics and electrical engineering, a fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protection of an electrical circuit. Its essential component is a metal wire or strip that melts when too much current flows through it, thereby stopping or interrupting the current. It is a sacrificial device. Once a fuse is operated, it is an open circuit and must be replaced or rewired depending on its type. When the current overflow occurs through MCB, the bimetallic strip gets hit and deflects by bending. The deflection of bimetallic strip releases a latch. The latch causes the MCB to turn off by stopping the current flow in circuit. This process helps safeguard the appliances or device from hazard of overload or overcurrent. To restart the current flow, MCB must be turned on manually. Electrical fuse works on the principle of the heating effect of electrical current. It is placed in series with the device. A fuse consists of a piece of wire made of a metal or an alloy of an appropriate melting point. For example, aluminum, copper, iron, lead, etc. If a current larger than the specific value flows through the circuit, the temperature of the fuse wire increases. This melts the fuse wire and breaks the circuit. Now we are going to look the applications of MCB and fuse. MCB is the key component for the safety and efficient functioning of electrical machines and is used in most electrical appliances that are used for industrial or domestic purposes. In domestic uses, appliances like light, heaters and fans require MCB to constantly check and protect the connection. While the fuse is used in electrical appliances like AC, TV, washing machine, music system, mobile phones, motor starter, laptops, power charger, camera, scanner, printers, photocopier, automobile, many more. Now we are going to compare the MCB and fuse. MCB trips off in case of excessive load, while fuse melts in case of excessive load. MCB is to be just put on after correcting the fault in wiring. Fuse needs to be replaced with a new one. Since we do not change the MCB, there is no risk of putting on the MCB or switch even if the fault is not correctly repaired. While in the fuse, there is a risk of putting on the switch in case, due to ignorance, a higher capacity fuse wire is positioned. MCB works on bimetal expansion or induced magnetism, while fuse works on melting or fusing due to high temperature. MCB is costlier than fuse. Now we are going to discuss the last topic, which is advantages of MCB over fuse. MCB easily identify the faulty zone of electrical circuit, simple to resume supply, better interface, electrically safer, more sensitive to current than fuse, reusable, less maintenance. So now you saw how much MCB and fuse works and how they are useful for our household and industry. And through this, you also get to know which is more beneficial for us.